Good morning, it's Luke here. Today is December 1st, 2025. Starting with the monthly chart, we're going to go all the way downwards to demark our charting session of the order flow for today's trading session. Okay, so monthly, as you guys can see, the monthly order flow is bullish. So I think we should be able to go to all-time high very soon, maybe. But before we get to that, maybe do we come back and respect the midpoint of this wick? Do we bounce here on this midpoint of this wick, then go back up? Or maybe come back to something, a PD array here. I don't know if you guys know it, but this PD array is called a balance block. So it may come back here and pump up. Maybe even touch the 75% of this wick, so not just the midpoint. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is order flow. So going back to the weekly, and let's just remove everything. The weekly, obviously, we have no FVGs, so no weekly order flow. There's no weekly order flow, guys. So it's only monthly right now. Checking the daily. The daily we have, oh nice, we have multiple FEGs. We have swing low, but we don't have a swing high yet, guys. We do not have a swing high yet. So these FEGs will be reactive, but you will see price go through them. This is showing that bullish order flow is bullish, daily order flow is bullish, right? And that daily breakaway gap to go straight all the way back to this high. However, all these FVGs will be reactive, guys, but I can see them maybe get cut through, still be respected maybe, but it's not gonna be as optimal as we want because there's no swing high yet, right? So still would take the longs, but let's just look at the chart, look at these FVGs. It tells us that the daily is bullish, but it does not tell us that we're gonna be, it's 100% touch and go, right? So I wouldn't be looking for a turtle soup. I would be looking for like a touch of the FVG, the daily FVG, and then come back with like a 50-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute FVG, put my stop loss at those, and target the highs. All right, so we'll target whatever external range it shows me. Drop into the 4-hour. 4-hour, we have swing high, swing low. We have a bearish FVG here, which is not drawn because the indicator is taken into account the higher time frame, which is the daily. Also, this daily is going hand in hand with this 4 hours, so to prevent them showing over each other, it will only take the precedence. It will take the higher time frame will take precedence over the other. All right. So, do I expect this 4 hour to be disrespected? So you can see the 4 hour. If I just have that, I just have these settings for the lower time frames, not the higher time frames. You can see this 4 hour. We've got external range there, swing high there. Does it get respected? I really don't know. The reason why I'm saying I don't know is because this 4 hour is a confirmed order flow. The daily is not really confirmed, but the monthly is bullish. So I expect this 4 hour to get cracked through, but still give a little bit of movement down. I think we might get a movement down. But when I'm in these scenarios, I'll have to wait for an hourly FVG. You can see the hourly, we have no order flow on the hourly since pretty much Sunday open. So I would wait for an hourly FVG, and then whether it's that bearish, I would take the trades with the 4 hour bearishness. If that was a bullish FVG 1 hour, I would take the trades based on the daily. All right. But right now, it looks like consolidation on the hour because there's no order flow on the hourly. There's no order flow on the weekly. The daily is not really confirmed. 4 hours, the lone hanger right there. 50-minute, we have nothing either. 5-minute, nothing either. So yeah, that's it. What I will be doing is I'll be looking for longs and I'll be looking for shorts, but I'll be using super tight stop losses. So if I get a 4 hour, how I trade this is actually the high time frame is the daily, so I'll be looking for longs, but I would not be expecting it to be smooth trade up. Okay, so let's say we touch that 4 hour here, that 1 hour. That, where is it? Did we touch the daily or daily? I think we did. Oh, there's it. That's the daily. You see how it digs into it, it touches it, it pumps. I'll be just looking for tiny entries. So for example, swing high, swing low, go swing low, swing high, this FVG, I will take that FVG stop loss here, and I'll probably target the external range, which was probably drawn for me pretty much at this high or this high, whatever that was the case. And I'll just go to break even and see if I can catch more. But you can see that it's struggling. It's still respected. Look, it didn't barely went through half the FVG, came back all the way back up, recovered. But this is a buy model, by the way. This is beautiful. buy model. Roger consolidation, first stage, second stage, big drop, smart money reversal, low risk buy, first stage, second stage, smart money, a big move after the second stage. But yeah, the daily is not confirmed, guys, and the one before it, the weekly, is not, there's no order flow either. So 4 hour is trying to decide. It's trying to decide for us, right? So best thing to do is to wait till today to close, and then see if you form a swing high. If you form a swing high on the daily, still we cannot do that. We'll have to wait another 24 hours to form a swing high, and you see that how you can tell if the day is going to be bullish, bearish, or consolidating, guys, right? So you'll have to wait one day. You have to do it. Otherwise, you'll have to keep scalping, use a little bit more exercise knowledge. But we have to form a swing high, then we'll be bullish, and we'll be bullish for a pretty much long time, at least to this high. So if you skip on a little bit of a candle, you can be able maybe looking for an extra 350 points, right? And if it keeps dumping more, you'll be able to look for much bigger, 400, 600 points, right? And that's just the first target we got on FEG. We got multiple other stuff, but the absolute target would be that all-time high, right? So you're not missing on anything, guys. But worst case scenario is that you wait for an hourly. If we on the hourly, if we get a bullish FEG, especially after touching the daily, or especially after touching the 4 hour downwards, then you can be targeting that daily FEG, right? So this still can go. So let's say we got this 4 hour, we got an hourly here, we'll short the hourly and we'll target this daily, so that this 4 hour has done its job, maybe even take out that liquidity there and then bounce into this FEG, and then here we can start looking for longs. We can completely ignore that 4 hour and start working the daily, right? Because these are dailies, these are not breakaway gaps, so they may be full. They may be still filled. This one's not. This is a breakaway gap, so this should not be really filled. All right, so that was a little longer than I expected video. I'm making the bootcamp videos for you, so I was supposed to throw them in this weekend, but I don't know. I'm just trying to understand editing much better. All right, maybe today. All right, take care, guys. Peace.